Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to protect your Gmail account from being hacked. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do to protect your Gmail account, what you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Google right here. So I'm going to simply click on Google right here. After you open up Google, next thing you need to do is to click on search. Then here, what you need to do here is to simply type in Google Advanced Protection Program. Then click on search. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the first search result right here. So click on the first result, and it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Until you get here. So what you need to do is to simply click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down right here. Here, make sure these three things are checked. Passkey and security is checked to be green. Recovery phone number is checked to be green. Recovery email is checked to be green. Next thing you need to do is to click on Enroll in Advanced Protection. Then this is going to pump up. Review that everything here is correct. Your recovery phone number, your recovery email address, and your passkey and security key. Click on Done right here. Once you click on Done, your Gmail account is going to be fully secured from being hacked. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.